Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I'm not the biggest fan of Halloween and I don't really celebrate it much. Usually I'm not into the typical Halloween decorations, but I thought why not put my own spin on it. Today I'm bringing you 3 DIY ideas for Halloween decor that are more on the aesthetic side. Still spooky, but definitely nicer to look at. For this project you will need a black paper, ideally something thicker as you will be painting on it. I will create 3 paintings. To cut the right size of the paper for your frame, I take back part of this frame and draw around it on the paper. To make the ghost, you can use white marker pen or paints. I'm using acrylic paints. Mine are not the best quality, so I had to make a few layers of them. But I think paint will create a nicer and more textured look than marker would do. I paint very simple shapes of ghosts. Once the paint is dry, I draw the eyes and the mouth. Black, white and gold together look very stylish. Even though we have a silly painting of ghosts, this decoration still looks very elegant. To create this ghost candle holder, I'm using air dry clay. At first, I roll it out flat to the same thickness. Use a round object like for example bowl to create perfect circle. Size of the bowl depends on how big or small you want your ghost to be. Cut out the circle and smooth out the edge. To create a ghost shape, you need something high to lift up the clay from the table. Also, the top of the item should be round. You might actually have something in that shape at home already. I attached styrofoam ball to the glass with masking tape. Then I move the clay onto this glass. I fold the clay around to get the typical ghost shape. With small knife I cut out the eyes. Before I leave it to dry, I smooth out the whole surface with damp sponge. Remember that air dry clay shrinks when drying, so don't put it too tight around the glass. Once the clay is dry, I gently remove it. You can leave the ghosts just as they are. I decided to decorate them. I cut out the butterflies from my napkin. I cut them very close to its edge and I only use one layer of the napkin. Using gloss Mod Podge, I attach them around my ghost. Mod Podge dries out transparent so you won't even see it, only the gloss finish. Do it gently as the paper is very fragile. Once they are all attached, cover the rest of the ghost with Mod Podge. Use battery-operated tea light inside. I like creating cushion covers for new season. I think they are such an eye-catching element of your home decor. As I will be using glue, at first I put piece of cardboard inside the fabric. For my standard cushion size, I will create 8 ghosts. And to make them, I'm using thick macrame cord. I measure how big I want them to be and then cut the cord. I place them around and start gluing them down using fabric glue. You could also use hot glue, but I think fabric glue is less messy and safer when you want to wash this cover. Once the outside line is done, you can just spread the glue inside and start adding more and more rope. Don't glue the rope's ends. You will want to trim them straight and make them fluffy later on. For the eyes, I'm using felt fabric. I cut out small circles and attach them to the rope. I hope you enjoyed these DIY ideas and found some inspiration for your Halloween decor. Something spooky yet stylish. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fun DIYs. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.